Camping tables solve one simple problem. Where do you put your stove, coffee, or cards when the ground is not an option? If you are tired of wobbly picnic surfaces or heavy gear that kills your back, this list is for you. I picked 5 compact portable folding tables that fit different budgets and uses, from ultralight backpacking to full-size tailgate cooking. Each pick is tested for stability, materials, load capacity, and real-world convenience. Let us jump in and find the one that will upgrade your next outdoor day. Kicking off our list is the iClimb Ultralight Table, and this one is all about minimalist, reliable performance. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds and supporting up to 66 pounds, this is the table you grab when you need a surface fast without the bulk. It's built from aerospace-grade aluminum, so it's tough, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant. The real standout feature is its unique hinge design. Unlike many budget tables that use bungee cords to connect the top panels, this hinge system is built to last for years without sagging or failing. Setup is a breeze. Just open the frame, click in the sidebars, and you're done in seconds. It's perfect for holding your stove, your morning coffee, or your fishing tackle. If you're a backpacker, hiker, or anyone who values simplicity and ultra-lightweight gear, the iClimb is a fantastic no-fuss choice. Next up is the VILLEY, a table that goes head-to-head with our #1 pick, but brings its own flair to the game. Also ultralight at just 2.1 pounds, the VILLEY shines with its upgraded metal screw and hinge connection. This makes the tabletop incredibly flat and stable, a small but noticeable upgrade in construction. The painted aluminum top is not only heat-proof, but also designed to resist fading, so it stays looking new even after a good scrub. It holds 66 pounds, has anti-slip feet for stability on uneven ground, and sets up in the same tool-free way. The VILLEY is a brilliant all-rounder, great for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on a solid build. It's the workhorse you can trust for countless picnics, beach days, and camping trips. Coming in at #3 is the Grope portable table, and this one deserves a look for being the lightweight champion of the group. The small version tips the scales at an almost unbelievable 1.9 pounds, yet it still holds a respectable 55 pounds. It shares many of the great features we've seen, like the sturdy aluminum build, hinge design, and a waterproof, easy-clean surface. Where Grope stands out is with its choice. They offer this table in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, so you can perfectly match the table to your needs. Need just a tiny side table? Go small. Need more space for a group cookout? The large has you covered. This flexibility makes the Grope an excellent pick for families or groups who might want different tables for different jobs. Now, for something completely different. The Anbte Table is not an ultralight. It's a full-on command center. This is a 3-foot-long tri-fold table with a game-changing feature, a storage net underneath. That's right, you get a massive 35 by 16-inch surface on top and a net to stash your cooler, gear, or firewood. It's made with a sturdy MDF top and a thick aluminum frame, supporting 66 pounds. The real magic is the 3 adjustable height settings, from a low 10 inches for beach lounging to a full 27.5 inches for standing at a tailgate. Yes, it's heavier, but it makes up for it with incredible versatility and that brilliant storage solution. The only downside is the weight, but it makes up for it with incredible versatility and that brilliant storage solution. And finally, our #5 pick, the Campfield Folding Table. Think of this as the SUV of camping tables. It's big, robust, and ready for anything. With a massive 47 by 18-inch surface, this table gives you all the space you need for a gourmet camp kitchen or a family feast. The entire structure is heavy-duty aluminum, and it still folds down to a relatively compact size for transport, complete with a carry bag. It supports up to 68 pounds and includes handy hook and loop fasteners and a storage canvas to keep things organized. This is the table you buy when you're not messing around. It's perfect for large families, group campouts, or anyone who wants a truly stable and spacious outdoor dining table without the wobble of a cheap plastic one. If you have the space in your car, the Campfield is worth a look. There is no one-size-fits-all camping table. For backpackers and minimalists, pick the iClimb or VILLEY. If you want size choices, Grope gives options. For adjustable height and storage, Anbte is a smart middle ground. For full-size group use, Campfield is the heavy hitter. Once you try one, you will see how much easier campsite life can be. Choose based on how you camp, how much weight you can carry, and how much tabletop you need.